Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by gathering the essential components and confirming the environment is secure. You must act precisely. Connect the phase capacitor to the temporal coil and make sure the isolation frame grounds to a stable reference. Once done, power the 2 kW supply at low ramp to avoid transients and synchronize the clock base to UTC. This locks reference coordinates. You will record baseline sensor readings at 0 seconds because those numbers tell you whether the system is stable before you progress. Increase the field amplitude in controlled 0. 1 increments while watching harmonic drift. Stop if resonance index spikes. You align the phase vector toward the chosen seed date using the 3-axis gyroscope and temporal mapper. Precision here determines accuracy. Once alignment holds, engage the feedback loop and let it autocorrect every 2 seconds to maintain about 0.02% stability. Make sure to log all deviations because small drifts compound over time and will push you off target if ignored. At T-10 seconds, you initiate the entry sequence and hold the field for roughly 6 seconds before switching to sustain mode. You'll feel changes as the environment reorients. Observe local chrono signals and confirm you've arrived at the intended seed date. Then schedule your return window at least 30 seconds later to avoid interference. If instability appears, abort to safe mode without hesitation and reverse the phase vector immediately. This corrective action is the single most reliable recovery method when.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.